Hi, welcome. In this video, we will cover the assembly and review of the no-mess bird feeder. Traditional cages come with a feeder that is open, allowing birds to jump in and scatter the seeds, hence wasting and contaminating the seeds. Follow the video to see how this is assembled and used. It took me 20 to 25 minutes to put this together, but for your ease, I have sped up the assembly. The no-mess bird seed feeder is made of acrylic and assembly is required. The feeder comes with rubber bands to help hold the structure together, but these don't last too long, hence gluing is highly recommended. The bird feeder comes in different sizes, single and double. I have gone for the double feeder. This way, two birds can eat at the same time. You will notice that at times when we try to use the rubber bands, they tend to break or get cut. For the assembly, we have still kept the paper backing. Please remove the paper backing from both sides before gluing it together. It took me approximately 20 to 25 minutes to put this together. It is recommended to use a glue suited for acrylics. In this video we used Weld-On 3 by SciGrip, details in description, and we also used an applicator which made it a lot easier to apply the liquid. Weld-On does not leave any marks, whereas super glue can leave white marks on the acrylic sheet. Okay, so after gluing, this is what we have. I've removed all the bands from here because they were cracking, and after putting the glue they just snapped anyways. So yeah, it's all good. You got two levels of perches that you can have here and here. I've actually put mine over here, and this is the end that actually hooks onto your cage. You put your food over here, and this is the tray that you use to collect all the husks of the seeds after the birds have eaten, so hoping it'll be less mess. Yeah, and the birds actually perch over here, put the head over there, and work their way, do whatever they have to do. I'll fill this up now and see what it looks like. It did not take long for the birds to figure out how to use the feeder. Alright, so I've been using this for a couple of weeks now. I've been away for a couple of days, 4 days to be precise, and I've come back to notice that there are a few husks over there. The reason being that this has filled up over here and the birds are pecking and dropping the husks over there. Even though I've got plenty of food for the birds, this seems to be the area that fills up first. So probably say change it every 4 days or so. 4 days in my case, I've got around 12 finches. If you got fewer birds, then you don't need to change it as frequently. But overall, I'm happy with it. Seems to be helping out, and I don't need to keep topping. I just top it up once every now and then. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, do like and subscribe.